Hello and welcome. You are now looking at a group of files, some of which are HTML files. And when you're ready to work with an HTML page, you can typically open it with any HTML editor that you have installed on your hard drive. So for example, you would pull open your dialog box. If you go to Open With, typically you'll see every program available to open the file. In this case, you'll notice that we have available to us Adobe Dreamweaver. And Adobe Dreamweaver is one of many HTML editing programs that you can use to make changes to your HTML programs. Now, Adobe Dreamweaver is a paid application, so if you were to choose one of the plans available to you, you can typically do Dreamweaver for $20 a month or $31 a month if you wanted to be on the month-to-month plan. Now, if you want to use Dreamweaver along with all the other Adobe applications, you can do that as part of the Creative Cloud for $52 a month or $80 if you just want to do it month to month. Now, if you don't have a need for any of the resources that come with Dreamweaver, you may opt for one of the free plans. And you can typically find them with a simple Google search. And you can even be more specific to the kind that you'll need depending on your system, and you can find any number of editors available. And there are applications available with some of the larger internet platforms such as Google and Microsoft. One of the more popular HTML editing programs is called NVU, which you can find at nvu.com, as well as Composer, which is also free. If you'd rather use a cloud-based system, you can find one at onlinehtmleditor.net. Now, most of the editors will give you access to a split screen, and that will allow you to make changes to the code and see exactly where you're making those changes in the what you see is what you get editor. Now, there is one other way that you can edit an HTML file, and we will look at it in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.